Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 29th, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly Aussie dollar, I'm still very bullish. I still think this is more likely a WXY pattern. Most wave Ys do take out the high of wave W, so I do expect it to likely go up, probably around the 78% Fibonacci extension. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, very obvious to me that we got the end of a crescent. I think this is the A over here. This is the wave B. I believe this is a wave 1. This is a wave 2 of wave C. So that means we are likely in a wave 3 right now. Now there is a ton of support in this area. I definitely do admit that. And at some point we're probably going to have to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. But as of right now, definitely still in an uptrend. Going down to the daily time frame, the Aussie dollar is actually continuing to be, the Aussie and the Kiwi actually, are continuing to be very strong. Definitely no signs of this trend being over. It definitely is continuing to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Until we get a break in this series of higher highs, higher lows, that I am definitely still doing nothing but looking for pullback entries to go along on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Man, if you've been following along with my videos, I mean, anybody that's been really entering at the three-way pullbacks is just absolutely killing it in the market lately. This is 1, 2, 3 waves down, right to a Fibonacci level, which I had on there yesterday, if you saw yesterday's video, and then, bam, continuation of the uptrend. Now, I got my Fibonacci extension on here just to look out for areas of resistance, but for now, definitely still in an uptrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, if we do, make like a double top at one of these fib levels, which it doesn't have to be this one, it could be any one of them, and then we get an impulsive down and a break of structure, then that probably would tell me that this whole trend from here to here is over. The first thing I would do is I would put my Fibonacci retracement on there and look for Fibonacci retracement pullback levels to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. Like I said, it doesn't have to happen at this level. I mean, it could blow right past that level. It could easily go up to any one of these higher Fibonacci levels before it actually decides to make a big pullback. So the trend is your friend. I am definitely continuing to look for longs at the end of all pullbacks I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.